Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix Telegram app keeps crashing issue Android. Click settings. Click app management. Click app list. Click Telegram. Click storage use. Click clear data. Clear Telegram cache. Clear local database. Click back. Open any app. Click storage use. Click clear cache. Same process, step by step clear all app cache. Click storage. Click clean. Click clean. Then restart your phone. Then open Google Play Store. Then search Telegram. Click Telegram. If you get any update, please update. Thanks for watching.